Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting with two prerequisites, Jira Cloud Access and the Jira Cloud app in Teams. Sign in inside Teams using your Atlassian account so permissions align. Once signed in, open the Teams left rail, pick Apps, search for Jira Cloud, and click Add. Make sure to add it to the specific team or chat where you'll work. This immediate setup links accounts and prepares the bot and tabs. Without that connection, notifications and issue creation won't function correctly. Now configure the integration inside your channel. Add a Jira tab, choose the project or saved filter, and pin it so everyone sees the board or backlog. Next, set channel notifications. Pick issue events you want created, transitioned, commented, and map them to the channel. Then teach the bot. Use the Compose box and at Jira to create issues, assign users, or add comments. These steps automate visibility and reduce context switching. Once done, your team will get real-time finish by validating end-to-end flow. Create a test issue with /Jira create, confirm the tab shows it, and ensure channel notifications arrived. Make sure everyone has the correct project roles. Missing permissions are the most common failure. If the bot won't respond or tabs fail to load, clear Teams app cache, remove and re-add the Jira app, then reauthorize the Atlassian token. That refreshes permissions and resolves stale sessions. If a permission error remains, check Jira Project Access and audit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.